to nitrate, you have a place in your data table where you are to make observations of that. So I'm going to get some of that and put it in my test tube.
She meant carbonate.
Is it carbonate?
Yeah, what did I say?
Nitrate.
I'm sorry, copper 2 carbonate is correct.
Okay, I'm gonna come all the way up
Okay, so
here.
there it is. Can you guys see that?
Yes.
No, Cody, you'll be fine. I won't let you die.
Cody doesn't burn.
I put bluish green powder.
Bluish green powder is a good observation, that's fine.
And the one with chocolate.
Okay, got my gas on, I'm gonna light my burner.
Those things always confuse me. Wait,
I don't know.
What's confusing?
Flame's either gigantic when I light it or really small.
Oh, you had to like.
People mess with the burners.
Oh,
There you go.
hers is always set.
Yes, it is. Okay. Alright, so here's my copper 2 carbonate. What color do you normally associate with copper?
Like a bronze.
Like a bronzish color? Why is this one green?
Because it's a
kinda-
powder. It's like, well, copper turns green when it ages.
There you go. Copper does turn green when it reacts with oxygen. So have you ever seen green on a penny?
Statue of Liberty.
And the Statue of Liberty. You're stealing my lines, gosh.
Shame.
Alright, the Statue of Liberty, what's it made out of?
Copper.
It is made out of copper, but it has over time reacted with the oxygen in the atmosphere, and therefore the copper made a copper oxide, which turned green. There is copper underneath that, though.
Scrap the Statue of Liberty?
Yeah, imagine how much money you could get for that.
I know. Well, even like if you did have, you just.
You guys
sell it
are
to
always
somebody
thinking.
else.
Alright, do you see a product in the bottom of that test tube?
Yeah, it's black.
It's black.
Yeah, it's a black powder, right? Which product do you think that is from the board?
Alright, you got it.
The copper
Yeah.
2 oxide, right? Copper 2 oxide is the one we predicted to be a solid. Does anybody see a gas forming at the top of that test tube? What gas did we say that was going to be?
Ooh.
I can't really.
Yeah, it looks kind of like,
Can
it
you
looks
not
like
see it?
waving.
I see.
Carbon dioxide. Okay. So next we're going to test for carbon dioxide in this test tube. Remember we tested for hydrogen in a test tube and it made a popping sound? If I put a flame in carbon dioxide, what do you expect to happen?
It's gonna make a noise.
It will go out.
It turned green first.
It did turn green from the copper. But you see that the carbon dioxide did extinguish the flame. So that is a positive test for carbon dioxide if you put a flame in its presence and the flame goes out.
That's not the one that's supposed to explode.
That was so
Well,
good.
the thing is-
That one's not the combustion.
That is not a